Okay, let's continue.
Hello, teacher.
Yes, yes, wait me, ha. Well, follow. Okay, so let's continue this, Carol. Okay, so look at this one. Okay, we're going to have the air. That's palubot na po. Okay, so you have here, have a role play. Okay, example of the challenge is, what would you do if the passenger next to you was feeling unwell on the plane? Okay, what would you do if the passenger next to you was feeling unwell on the plane? What would you do?
Are you and I will help the passenger.
What would you do if the passenger next to you was feeling unwell on the plane? Not you, ha? It's the passenger. What will you do? Example, that's the challenge. Now, you feel unwell right after taking off, and you didn't bring any air sickness pills, okay, with you. So you call the flight attendant over to help, okay? So what you will gonna do this one? This is first this one. What you will gonna do? So you don't have pills, and what you will gonna do?
Will- I will ask
Hmm?
for the flight attendant some to have some medicine to the passenger.
Okay, to have some medicine to the passengers. You are gonna have to ask. Okay, now this challenge, Carol. What would you do, Carol, if the passenger next to you, it's not you anymore, it's the passenger next to you, sitting next to you, was feeling unwell on the plane? What will you do?
I will ask the flight attendant to have some medicine and I will help the passenger relax.
Okay? So you will gonna have to help you, the passenger next to you, by calling the flight attendant for help. Very good. Wow, that's good, Carol. Okay. So now, Carol, okay, we have here another one. Okay. How do you change your flight schedule? Okay, look at this. What might you do, Carol, if you want to change your schedule flight? Oh, example, you will gonna have your flight on Monday, okay? But then you decided to change it on weekend. What you will gonna do? What you will gonna do, for example?
We go to the right and say I want to change my schedule flight.
Okay, you want to change your, okay, what you will gonna say? Example. Okay, what you will gonna do? Okay? So what might you do if you want to change your schedule? Of course, you are gonna have to call to your, okay, booking outlet in which you get your ticket. You will say, oh, I cannot change my schedule. But of course, you will have to pay for that one. Okay, that's the good thing, Carol. You can change your schedule, but you have to pay. Oh, you have to pay for that one. Okay, so this one. Now, we're talking here about changing the flight booking. But before that, okay, I will gonna ask you. Okay, so have you tried to travel? Have you tried, Carol? You travel from other country? Have you tried to travel yet? Have you tried? Ayan, naroon ako naka-Julian.
Yes, I have.
Okay, what country you travel?
No, I travel in my country.
Okay, what country did you travel?
I travel in my country, in Vietnam.
You will push me so hard. Okay, no, aside from Vietnam, not in Vietnam, like other country like uh Korea, like Japan, like Philippines. Have you traveled?
I haven't traveled to another country.
Push me so Okay, in my heart. In my heart. Okay. Where?
I haven't
You
traveled
haven't. Okay. But what if given a chance, Carol, you're given a chance to travel in any country? What country do you want to do you want to travel?
to
What is
Philippines.
your dream travel destination?
My dream is travel to Philippines and the USA.
Wow, you want to come here in the Philippines?
Yes,
Okay. Why do you like here in my country? My country is not big, but we are very hospitable. And Philippines is a very nice one.
because I want to eat.
You want to eat? What?
I want to eat the national food of Philippines.
Ah, you want to eat the national food of the Philippines. Do you know that we like to eat lechon? Lechon is like a roasted pig. It's a pig that we're going to roast and we call it lechon. It's a very nice one. It's famous in my country. If there is birthday, there is anniversary, graduations, or holiday, we will gonna eat lechon. Okay, it's crispy lechon. Okay, that's famous. How about in your country? Okay, so what is the famous food in your country?
The famous food in my country is pho.
Is
Is pho.
what is that? It's a soup or what is that? How does it looks like?
It looks like
It looks like what?
this. I send to you.
Ah, yeah, yeah. You send it to me. Where did you send it? In the Zillow? Ah, it's here.
Will you check that?
Ah, yeah, this phone. Ah, Okay, yeah. Yeah, okay. So one of my students told me about this one. It's Paul. Okay, it's like a soup. It's very famous, like a noodles.
Yes.
Yeah, you like it?
Yes, I do.
Okay, that's good. Okay. So aside from Philippines, what other country do you want to travel?
I want to travel to the USA
Wow. Why do you like USA?
because it has because it has
Where's my cellphone?
a statue of liberty.
Okay.
Because it has the statue of liberty.
Ah, yeah, it has a Statue of Liberty. Okay. Like iPhone na lang. It has a Statue of Liberty. Okay, that's the reason why. Okay, so you want to travel because it has a Statue of Liberty. Okay, so Statue of Liberty is very famous.
Yes.
Okay, it's very famous in United States of America. It's very famous. Hey, so now what if you will grow up? What do you want to do in the future? What do you want to be in the future? What do you want to be in the future? You want to be a
English teacher in the future.
you want to be an English teacher. Why do you want to be an English teacher? English teacher is very, very hard. Okay, why do you want to be a teacher someday? You want to be a teacher someday?
Yes.
Uh,
Because
why?
I because I love English and I want to teach the children
Or you want to
about
teach the children about?
English.
Okay, you want to teach the children English. Okay, that's very good. Okay, I hope you're doing great, Carol. When you grow up, you want to be a teacher, but you're very good in speaking English. You can speak English well. That's very good of you. Teacher, observe it already. You know how to speak English well. Okay? So, Carol, okay, thank you so much for tonight. Let us have another talk on the next class. Okay, Carol?
Okay.
Okay, bye, Carol. Thank you and see you
Bye, teacher.
tomorrow. Bye-bye. Good night.
See you tomorrow.
Yes. Good night, Carol.
Now.